All right, we have mackerel. Been out with Ross. It was a beautiful day. Took us a wee while to find them, but we did. It was probably the biggest relief I've ever experienced in my life. But we're here.
So, like today, it was a wee bit windy going out, and then suddenly you're in this shelter here. You've got the 7 Mile Sea Loft, so we're just cruising around, and we're going to try some new fishing spots and put a bit of time into it.
Optimism and time.
We could try over there by this wee island.
Mackerel's looking beautiful. The weather is coming in waves of sheer rain and the odd bits of sun, which we're experiencing now. We're going to gut the mackerel. We're going to cook in a really simple way. Nothing too complicated. I just want to show you that this beautiful fish really doesn't need too much at all when you've caught it on the same day. I mean, look at that. Just the colour, and it really just doesn't get fresher than that. Here's you got the head there. Get your knife. I'm just going to place it straight down there, behind the backbone, and just move the knife gently along it. Now, a lot of people may remove the head there, but I think let's leave it as pure as possible. You've got your guts there, and we'll just get our hands a bit dirty, pour them out, and then some lovely seawater. Just wash that. Look, beautiful. Yeah, probably one of my favorite combinations. We got 2 types of tomatoes in here, a few capers, some garlic, bit of olive oil, bit of salt. Tomatoes take a surprising amount of salt. Now, you're probably going to love me, or you're going to hate me. So much going to add a few more capers. Is the wood-fired oven ready for the tomatoes? You just want that wood to kind of burn down into a glowing bed of embers and have that flame as well. Because the last thing you want is that kind of sooty smoke on any of our food. And if you don't burn the wood down properly, that's what you're going to get. So you need to make sure that wood burns all the way through, starts to appear kind of white, glowing embers, and then when it's ready.
It's just a tiny wee galley or kitchen we have on the boat. Coffee!
Yeah. Just gonna get our olive oil, a little bit of salt. First time I ever had a whole fish, I just had really thin slivers of lemon in the center. Right, time for the mackerel. Let's do this. We haven't got absolute roaring fire. We've just got gentle bed of embers, still really hot. We're not going to absolutely blitz the skin, otherwise we'll just have burnt fish skin and raw flesh. From the start, to catch a fish, bake it in the wood-fired oven, and to eat it straight away is just to be part of that whole process. I guess one we take for granted, but I mean, that. Go for it, dude. Wait. Just get all that lemon. I mean, that's just a sign of a good day. Oh, yeah. Fish on.
Fish on.
Fish on. Yeah, mackerel.
They're all right.
You're a lot happier now.
Right.
I can see it. It was all getting a bit tense. And now we're going to do our flatbreads. This is made with bare meal flour, and that's an ancient grain from Orkney. Just a little bit of olive oil. So, and we're just going to watch it. And when those crusts start to rise, and you're always looking just to check the edges. Oh, that's good. And what a place to cook a flatbread. Beautiful, lovely crust. Nuttiness of the bare meal flour. Look at that. I mean, just gonna sit that on top. Chives, half of which will probably blow away to the islands around us, but beautiful chives. And we have our wood-fired mackerel with beautiful tomatoes, capers, olive oil, chives, cracked black pepper. We'll put him in there. There we go.